Hi everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on what to put in your Journey to Dance Live video. Let's get started. In your video, you should show what you've learnt throughout the year. This is your way of sharing your journey with your friends and family. We want to see the fun you've had creating your Dance Live performances, but we also want to see the challenges and barriers you've overcome. Your video is also a chance to introduce your school and yourself to the judges and audience. This could include your school logos or a quick tour. Don't forget to show the hard work that goes into the rehearsals and preparations. No journey is easy the whole way through. We recommend including information and footage around concept, theme, research and learning, LED screen creation, stage decor, props and lighting design, costume, hair and makeup design, challenges and obstacles, rehearsals. There are some important rules for the video. You must not show clips of your choreography. This will be seen in your performance. Instead, we need to see images or clips of students creating choreography, contributing to teamwork, leading warm-ups, and problem solving. Teachers should not be seen or heard in your video. After all, you are the star of the show. Consider your sound levels throughout your video. Sound clips and video clips of people talking must match the sound levels of music tracks used in the video. This means that the video can be easily heard by the judges and audience during your big performance. Don't forget, you must add the first names and year groups of any young people that contributed to the creation of your Journey video and LED screen content at the end of your video. Any schools who are missing credits on their Journey video will not be eligible for the Journey Video Award at their event. Each of these moments is like a puzzle piece, and together they create an awesome picture of your Dance Live adventure. Have fun making your Journey to Dance Live video.